Okay, this is for parametric equation. Continue the 3 examples that we haven't discussed before in the part 1 picture. Okay, we discussed example 2, 4, and example 5. Okay. Okay, 2, 4, 5. Okay. So given x equals ln 4t cube and y equals e power 2t, find dy dx d2y dx squared in terms of t. Okay, so differentiate x respect to t, but make sure that for ln, okay, turun darjat okay, then differentiate for t cube. Instead you need to use power rule. So 12t power 2. Simplify, please simplify, then dapat settle. Okay, for y, differentiate y with respect t. Exponent, copy exponent kebal, then differentiate power 3t, dapat 3. Then dapat 3, e 3t. Now find dy dx. But still here you got variable t. You need to use chain rule dy dx means that dy dt dx or dy over dt over dx over dt, right? Okay, substitute substitute kat sini 3 over t, sorry silap, this one dulu, right? Kat sini nice, kat sini. Okay, dy dx equals 3t over 3 over t. Simplify, you akan dapat, I show you, right? 3t, ini t over 3. Dia ni kasih bawah. Simplify dapat t e 3t. Settle first part. Okay, the second part is to find d2y dx squared. Means that use the formula d dt, okay, dy dx over dx over dt, right? Okay. Tak padam ni kan? Tak betul kan? Okay. Settle yang ini. Okay. So now substitute d dt dy dx you all t e power 3t means that you need to differentiate, apply product rule lah. Ini dx over dt ni is 3 over t. Yang ini just use saja without differentiate something, because settle everything done, right? Okay. Then kat sini you boleh use find separately for the numerator. Kalau you nak cari separately it's okay. Okay. Jadi ini kan. Ini uv. Okay. Let's say this is u. Your u is t. Your v is e power 3t. So u prime atau du dt is equal to 1. Okay, dv over dt ni is equal to, copy e power 3t 3. Then substitute. Okay, dy dx squared is equal to, use product rule, right? Okay, t 3e power 3t plus 1e 3t over 3 over t. Rearrange, simplify, better simplify cantik sikit. Factorize, if you can factorize, factorize. Ya, ini 3t plus 1. This one is t over 3. Then simplify lagi, you akan dapat 1 over 3 t e power 3t. Okay, so 1 plus better arrange macam ni. Okay, dah settle this example. Okay, settle apa tu. Okay, dah shown. Our aim is ke page lah kan? Dah habis. Okay, kita go to example. Macam ni kan? Okay, you need to find dy dx. Okay, to find the second derivative. Okay, rule. Then dapat. Okay, example 4. Find dy dx if given 3 go number 3 go. So simple actually. Okay. Oh, dah ada sini. So sekarang ni ini actually dx d theta lah kan. Ini constant. Okay. Differentiate theta get 1 same like x plus cos theta same like sin x plus sin x get 1 and cos x. And then for y, differentiate y respect to theta, still constant, 0 lah. Okay, and then this negative, positive, right? Negative, sin theta get positive lah. Dapat 2 sin theta. Kan, 2 sin theta. So, using the chain rule, is dy dx equals dy over d theta over dx over d theta. You akan dapat 2 sin theta over 2 1 plus cos theta. Then simplify sin theta over 1 plus cos theta. Okay, done already, settle. Too simple. Just few marks saja kan. Too simple. The aim is how to differentiate 3 go. You have to remember differentiate sin got cos, cos got negative sin. Okay. Dan dapat the last example. Okay, for this part is given that x equals 3 go and y also 3 go. Show, you need you to show until here. Show, kita buat. So simple. So how to show It's okay. Kita buat kat sini. Okay. X equals sin 2t. Okay, tak apa. Kita bersabar ya. Okay, where should I write? Kita padam ini. Buat lain. Okay, so rewrite x equals sin 2t cube. Macam ni. Okay, and then dx over dt. Okay, yang ni guna apply power rule. Sin 2t, then differentiate sin got cos 2t, angle kebal, differentiate angle dapat 2. Then akan dapat 6 sin 2t squared cos 2t. Settle. Okay. So for y equals, rewrite like this, macam ni, cube, okay, dy over dt, 3 cos 2t, power rule kan, reduce. Then differentiate whatever inside bracket here. The first is cos, negative sin kebal, dia punya angle. Then differentiate angle 2. Then rearrange negative 6 cos 2t squared sin 2t. Settle. Now you need to find dy dx. dy dx is equal to negative 6 cos 2t squared sin 2t over 6 sin 2t squared cos 2t. Simplify, cancel you get cos 2t negative ada over sin 2t. So you check, our aim is to get cot. Cot is 1 over tangent atau this is negative cot 2t. Shown. Settle. Okay, so settle this part. Okay, means that dah habis for this chapter. Okay, so conclusion, you have to remember how to find, you would find dy dx, d2y dx squared. Okay, so dah settle chapter ini.